Good evening, everybody. This is Angela and David from Wiley's Travel Adventures. We're in the Weathervane Hotel in Stoke along the A50 because we're going to Alton Towers tomorrow. So I'm just going to give you a little room tour now.
Good afternoon or evening. Enter.
So here we have the room. And we've got a double bed. And we've both got a bedside cabinet each. And then we have a little leather chair. And then we've got a massive couch, which is a sofa bed. Little table. And then we've got a television, which is quite big. Yeah. And then we've got the bathroom. There's David. Say hello to all of our viewers. All three of them. So this is the bathroom. Standard for a hotel. So it's about 11 miles from Alton Towers, so that's really handy. Breakfast is included. There's a Hungry Horse pub attached to it, which we'll be going back for a few beers. And then, if David not photobombs the video again, there's just a little alcove there with some hangers for your clothes, and it's handy for your luggage. So, breakfast is included between 7 and 9, so that's good. We'll be getting up at the crack of dawn for breakfast and then going over to Alton Towers. The forecast is rain at the minute, but then Tuesday's got to be quite nice, so at least we'll have one good day and one bad day. Hopefully it won't rain, but we'll have to wait and see what it's like when we get up. So that's our room tour. Not a bad size room, is it? Not bad size.
View of the car park.
View of
McDonald's.
Oh yes, I'll show you out the window. View of our car. And also McDonald's is across the road. And there's a wee Tesco as well. Oh, and it's getting dark. So that's our view. And that's McDonald's over the road. And then over the other road is Tesco with a garage. So it's not bad. If we feel like get a bit peckage through the night, we'll go to McDonald's. There we go. We just had dinner in the Hungry Horse. A bit like the Turf Tavern at Carlisle. But it was quite nice. And of course the M6 was shut. So we had to do a different route. We had to come down the A1. And it took 4 hours. So, ooh, that's a bit squeaky, isn't it? I just sat down on the chair. But yeah, so we'll see you all in the morning. And I'll be doing some vlogs from Alton Towers, obviously. See how that goes. Now, obviously you can't vlog on the rides, but I'll video the rides and things. And David can video us when we're on the rides. So it's all good, isn't it, dear?
All good.
Right, so I'll wrap it up. And it's quite nice, not too bad. Yeah, because last year we stayed in, what was it called? It's a hotel near the football ground at Stoke. No, it wasn't a travel lodge. No, it wasn't a Premier Inn, I don't think either. It was a hotel anyways, but it was very basic, and it just had a wee bar, but this one's got a proper full-on bar and a restaurant attached to it, so it's all hey-ho, it's all good. Right, I will see you tomorrow when I start my Alton Towers vlogs. So hopefully it won't be too rainy, or I won't be able to vlog anything. Okay, so we'll over and out from us too.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow.